At the GST Council meeting, the tax exemption for COVID-related equipment was extended. GST relief for MSME can file pending returns with reduced late fees, says Finance Minister Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced on Friday that following the 43rd GST Council meeting, it was resolved to exempt Integrated Goods and Services Tax (IGST) on pre-COVID-19 related supplies until August 31st this year. Even if they are purchased or donated to the government or recommended by a state authority, the Council has resolved to exempt relief supplies from importation. The waiver has been extended till August 31, 2021 according to Sitharaman. Following an increase in instances, Sitharaman declared that the drug amphotericin B, which is used to treat mucormycosis, has been added to the exemption list. Sitharaman also announced that medium and small industries can file their pending returns with reduced late fees at a press conference following the 43rd GST Council meeting. The Finance Minister called the decision as one of the important decisions taken during the meeting and said that an amnesty scheme has been introduced where taxpayers can file their pending returns and avail themselves its benefits with reduced late fees. The decrease of the compliance burden for small and medium-sized taxpayers is one of the most important decisions made today. Late fees and amnesty-related issues were also decided. An amnesty scheme has been proposed to provide relief to small taxpayers by decreasing the late charge owed in these circumstances, according to the Finance Minister. For future tax periods, the rationalized late fee and the decision to cut the maximum amount of late fee for small taxpayers will take effect. Small taxpayers will benefit in the long run as a result of this, she added later. During the GST Council meeting, the Finance Minister also stated that an advance payment of Rs. 4,500 crores was made to 2 vaccine makers, and that the nation is interacting with both suppliers and manufacturers. She also stated that India is in talks with the European Union about vaccine procurement, and that production will grow in the following months.